What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video I'll be talking about the newest launch of the Amazfit GTS 2E and GTR 2E. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So guys, do not forget to press that red button and press that bell icon for latest tech videos. So now without wasting further time, let's get into it with the Amazfit GTR 2E. It has a round dial with a 2.5D curved surface borderless design, and it is made from aluminum alloy and has two buttons on the right hand side of the watch. You get a 1.39 inch of AMOLED display with a tempered glass and an anti-fingerprint coating sensor on top of the screen. Now it has a resolution of 454 by 454 pixel, which gives it a 326 ppi density. The GTR 2E is backed by a 471 mAh battery, which has been tested for 24 days for the typical use and 45 days of battery life with the basic use of the watch. Now the GTR 2E comes with all the basic fitness trackers such as the sleep quality monitoring and also the heart rate monitoring. It also comes with a bio tracker 2 ppg with blood oxygen support and a 24 heart rate monitor sensoring. Now other than that, it has a 90 built-in sports mode with all the sports recognition. You also get an offline voice assistant and incoming call notification. The GTR 2E uses Bluetooth 5.0 for the connectivity, and it is supported by the Android 5.0 or the iOS 10 above. Now talking about the sensors, the watch is covered by all the basic sensors and all the sensors which are required in a smartwatch, such as the acceleration sensor, gyroscope sensor, 3-axis geometric sensor and others. Now talking about the weight of the watch is weighed at 32 grams without the strap, and also it is supported by 5 atm of water resistance, so you can take it for a swim. Now guys, let's take a look at Amazfit GTS 2E. Now it's a rectangular dial watch with a 2.5D curved borderless surface design, and it also has an aluminum alloy construction with a single button on the right side of the watch. The watch features a 1.65 inch of AMOLED display and with the tempered glass and an anti-fingerprint coating on top of it. Now the resolution of the watch is comparatively low as it's a rectangular and not the circular one, so it has a 348 into 442 pixels, which gives it a 341 ppi pixel density. Now Amazfit GTS 2E has a smaller battery when compared to the GTR 2E of 246 mAh. Now it is said to last 14 days with typical use and 24 days with the basic use of the watch. Now talking about the sensor, we have all the same sensors which are being available in Amazfit GTR 2E in this GTS 2E. The watch also runs on Bluetooth 5.0 for the connectivity, and it includes the acceleration sensor, gyroscope sensors and geomagnetic sensor and the ambient sensors. Now talking about the waterproofing or water resistance of this watch, this is also protected at 5 atm of water resistance, which Amazfit says, and also it weighs lighter than the GTR 2E at 25 grams without the strap weight. Now the most important thing is the pricing and the colors. Both the watches, the Amazfit GTR 2E and the GTS 2E, are priced at 10,000 rupees or the 9,999 each. Now the GTR 2E comes in green, black and slate grey colors, while the GTS 2E comes in lilac purple, moss green and black colors. Now it's your choice whether you like a circular dial or the rectangular dial on your watch, so depending upon that you can choose any one out of them. Thanks for watching, that's been it, and I'm signing off for now.